Hey everyone! If you want to create code faster using artificial intelligence instead of writing everything manually, Bolt AI can help you generate complete applications, components, and features from simple prompts. In this video, I'll show you how to generate code with Bolt AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, start a new project or open an existing one. Bolt AI works best when it has clear instructions about what you want to build. Next, write a detailed prompt describing the code you need. For example, you might request a login page, task management dashboard, contact form, API integration, shopping cart, or complete web application. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated code will be. Include information about features, frameworks, styling preferences, functionality, and any technical requirements. After entering your prompt, submit the request and allow Bolt AI to generate the code. Depending on the complexity of the project, the process may take a few moments. Once the code is generated, review the output carefully. Check the structure, logic, design, and functionality to make sure everything matches your expectations. For the best results, use clear prompts, build incrementally, review generated code carefully, and treat AI as a development assistant rather than a complete replacement for testing and quality control. And that's how to generate code with Bolt AI in 2026. With detailed prompts and iterative improvements, you can dramatically speed up software development while maintaining control over the final product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.